my beautifuls, it's me Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my BOXYCHARM for September 2018 unboxing for you guys. So I hope you guys are excited and we're gonna jump right on into it. I know this is late, but I'm finally getting around to it. It's been a crazy weather week. It's been raining, so there's been no sun. Like the sun's barely coming out today, but let's hope the sun comes out at some point. But yeah, it's been very raining, very much raining lately, and very cloudy. Alright, so the BOXYCHARM theme for September was Wildflower. I love that. Isn't that pretty? I love the little card. So it does tell you all the products that are on here and how much they cost on the little pamphlet. So I'm just going to go in the order of the products so you guys can see. So let's get started. Oh, I guess I can give you a little sneak peek. Okay, so the first thing is what I am loving because I've wanted to try this brand for a while. This is from Pretty Vulgar, which I've been wanting to try their products out for quite some time now because their products look so super cute and just very kind of vintage looking like, and they're cruelty free and they're so cute. Okay, so this is the palette. This is the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette, which is so adorable. I absolutely am in love with this palette because it has my favorite shadow tones in here. I'm tired of neutrals, so I'm not a neutral person, which this palette to me is not neutral. This is a very cool toned palette with silvers and a little bit of like some kind of like brownish colors, but it's a very kind of like very cool tone, silvery gray tone palette to me, and that's the shades I like. If anything, I could wear just lots of silver eyeshadow, which if you're looking at my eyes today, I have literally silver eyeshadow all over my lid. That's it. Because I love silver eyeshadows. I feel like it's very simple, quick, and easy, and will go with a lot of things. And I'm very much a cool toner person than someone that wants to wear like a neutrals, because that's just not me. I'm not one that likes to put like tons of brown eyeshadow and colors all over. So this is the palette, and it's so cute. I definitely want to do maybe like some type of video, or definitely gonna do like a review on this palette in the future. But look at those colors. That is up my alley. This is a palette for me. This is definitely a palette that's up for myself. You get brow bone colors. There's kind of like a sparkly white. There's like, I love the like the gray tones in here, and the names are so cute. I like the names. So I will have on the bottom of the screen what the prices and stuff are, and just in case you didn't know that. So this is $35, which just literally just paid for the whole box. So we literally just beat the price. I don't know, should I swatch any? Ooh, they feel soft. I think my hands are really too cold right now to swatch any products. Yes, now that is like a very dark gray. Kind of almost has like a black undertone. So I just swatched dark side. I just swatched dark side from this palette. That's literally amazing. Oh, yes, yes. And there is Silver Spoon. I just swatched. These are definitely very kind of like dark gray, muted, cool tone shades. I like that. And there are kind of like some like browner, cooler tones, which are nice because they can be for like the crease or transition colors, which is nice, but I definitely will probably get into those grayer tones in this palette, so it's definitely a palette for me. Definitely a palette that I've been waiting for. The next thing in here is from Laura Geller, and this is $28. This is their baked blush in Brighten. Okay, no, it's called their baked blush in Brighten. It's in the color Tropic Hues. So here's what it looks like. I have not tried anything from Laura Geller, but this blush looks so pretty. Look at it, it's super swirly. I don't know if you guys can see on the back, but look at that swirl. It looks like a planet. Like a pretty planet. Like what planet's pink? I don't know what, I don't remember science, guys. I have no idea. I don't remember science at all. I think science was one of those subjects I hated. Like, my second most hated subject in school. Math was the first, because math irritated me like no other. But this is like a pinky, orangey, kind of like goldeny tone, but when you mix it all together, you get like this very kind of pinky, peachy tone. I feel like this would give such a beautiful flushing, and there's like very finely milled shimmer in it. There's shimmer, but it's not glitter. It's shimmer, finely milled. But oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, don't drop that, Alyssa. Look at that. That is literally going to give a super nice flush. This coloring is going to give a beautiful flush to the cheeks. And Laura Geller, I believe, is cruelty free. I'm excited to use this. This will be nice. This is going to give a nice flush to the cheeks, guys. Excited. So the next thing in here is from AlyssaMarieDeMeoTV Cosmetics, and this is their Ojitos brush set. Sorry about my Spanish. I'm not Spanish. I don't even know Spanish. I think teachers felt very sorry for me in Spanish and passed me because they saw that I was trying. But these are $18. In a couple BOXYCHARM boxes back, there was the AlyssaMarieDeMeoTV Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and they have a little brush set. So now you can put your little brush set with your AlyssaMarieDeMeoTV cosmetic little palette if you got it. So this is a 3 little set trio. So I believe these are the only 2 things that they have on their website right now, because I did look at their website in advance, and I believe the only 2 things they have currently right now is the palette and this little brush trio. And the brush trio is $18. And they're also cruelty free, I believe, as well. So I'm going to try to show you guys the brushes. So there's 3 brushes. The first one right here, I don't know, and these are made of synthetic fibers. Does it tell me on here? Okay, so this is a flat liner brush, which would definitely be good for doing maybe like shadow liner, or very kind of like maybe like a gel liner as well. So I would definitely like to try to do maybe like shadow, like a black shadow like eyeliner, because I can't do eyeliner for my life. So I guess I'll try to do it with this, but like with shadow instead. So here's what it looks like. Super thin and very small looking, like, so it's definitely going to be kind of like very kind of like precise looking. And I like the colorings of this. It's like this very kind of like muted pale green, and it has like a coppery gold and like that says LMR, and the right here where the bristles are. So definitely like the colors, very cute. And then there is a flat shader brush. This is a flat paint, oh, it's called a flat painter brush, I think. Yeah, flat painter brush. Very kind of small looking, so this looks like it will fit on the lid perfectly nicely. So there's that one. And then lastly is the, I think this is the blending one. And then the fluffy blender brush, which they do all feel very soft in their own, all the brushes do feel soft, but this one's definitely fluffy, so it definitely will be great for blending out in the crease and applying your crease shade there. So definitely really nice. The next product is from Lorac. It is their Pro Matte Lip Color. It is $19. So here's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see the little packaging right here. I don't think I'm going to swatch it for you guys because I've already looked at this, and it's not a color I would personally use. So I think I might give it to my mom. It's a very dark plummy purple, which I don't know if you guys can see the tip of the cap right here. So that's what it looks like. So it's a like little lip pencil or like stick. So I don't think I'm going to swatch it because I don't go for these type of colors. So I'm not going to swatch this because I know I will not touch it. So I'd rather give it to somebody that I know will use it. So I think my mom might like it. The last product is from Luscious Angel Eyes. It's called Luscious Cosmetics, and it's their Angel Eyes primer. It's $14, and they're cruelty free. So this is a eyeshadow primer in nude. We talked about the packaging, how cute it is. Kind of gives me like Victoria's Secret vibes with the wings, because like they are Victoria's Secret angels, but this is not Victoria's Secret. So this is kind of cute. It's purple and gold packaging, kind of like Tarte packaging. So it's a little squeezy tube of a product. I'm gonna try to swatch a little bit. I don't think it smells. I don't know why it's all. I try to smell all makeup products to see if they have like a scent. So it's very nude. We're gonna see how it blends. Oh wow, that is very nude. Oh, now it has a little bit of a scent now that I can blend it out. What's it smell like? That's very nude. That's like, I'm like very pale and this is like very, very nude. Like it is not, I don't know how it's going to blend into my skin. Like I think I need to use maybe like a smaller amount, because that amount that I use and I could spread out really was more than enough. But I think it's definitely going to be something I need to maybe apply with a brush, maybe to even that out on the skin instead of using my fingers, because I don't know. But this is super nude. It's like, I'm like paler than this. I'm like a pale person. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm like a ghost. It says it's alcohol free and paraben free. So I don't know what the scent is then. It's not like overpowering, it's a very light scent, so maybe it's, I have no idea. we're gonna give it a go and see how it works. But very, very nude for you guys. So if you guys are like very pale, putting this on your eyeballs, I would consider using a very small, tiny amount. Because even though the little small amount I put on here, boy, can that blend out. But it feels like it's going to hold eyeshadow very well. Like, it seems like it has a little bit of that kind of sticky base feeling, so the eyeshadow is going to latch onto it. So we're definitely going to have to give that a go. I'll figure out how much of an amount I need to put on my eyeballs. But yeah, it's quite something. I'm going to have to wash off all these little swatches now after this video. But that's everything I got in my BOXYCHARM for September 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will have right now the total of the box on the screen so you guys know how much my Ipsy box was worth this month. But yeah, I like everything. I think everything is going to definitely be good to fair use except probably the Lorac product. Little lip product, but everything else looks super good and will be kind of nice to use for like the winter, because when it comes to winter to me, I like to tend to use like silvery grayish tones. I feel like I like those tones, so I feel like that's going to be great for me. And the blush is kind of good for like a fall kind of like tone, like a pinky peachy tone. And we have brushes and we have eye primer, which is always things that come in handy when we need to do makeup. So, very nice. It's like I never need to buy eyeshadow brushes because I get them in Ipsy bags and BOXYCHARM. So if there's like no point for me to go buy any, because they always come every some couple of months in a bag or so, or a box. So it's like there's like a win situation there, that I don't need to buy new makeup brushes all the time. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated and helps me out a lot. And until next time, guys, have a beautiful and magical day, and I will see you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye!